This is the smallest bird's nest you'll ever see, the bird's nest fungus. It has a cup-shaped structure, and inside are tiny egg-like structures called peridioles, which contain the fungus's reproductive spores. When raindrops hit the cup, the peridioles are ejected and can be flung up to 1 meter away, helping the fungus spread to new locations. This incredible adaptation allows birds' nest fungi to reproduce efficiently using the power of rainfall.